Alright, Saturday morning. I've been out tidying up some stuff outside. Sold something, that's always good, because I got too much stuff. And now it's starting to warm up, so I'm coming in and I'm gonna take and put the body bushings back on this floor pan and bolt it down. This is for the 57 Chevrolet. I think what I'm gonna do though is push this outside, because I gotta wheel the Mustang in. I'm gonna take the computer out of it one more time and weld in the other capacitor that came in. Weld it in, listen to me. Solder in the other capacitor in the computer, and then I want to get it cleaned up real good. And I think I'm gonna sell it, because I ain't got time for that thing. And we'll see how that takes us. Alright, if I had any sense, I'd quit saying what I plan to do in the rest of the video, because it never works out that way. I haven't moved this out, but I have gotten it bolted down. I think I'm going to just go ahead. It's done got hot out there, so I'm going to go ahead and fix this, I think. It needs done. Might as well do it. So, I'm going to do that for now. And see what else we get into. Yeah, I fired up the welder. I don't know if I'm gonna MIG that all in or get my torch out. I don't know. Let me see how I feel here. I have noticed here lately, the last 6 months or a year, I can't see as good up close as I used to, which is annoying. Well, there's what I got so far. I've been just spotting it in with a MIG. Going okay. I got to get up my body saw, and it tightened up a little too much there. Either I cut it too wide, so I need to trim that a little bit. I think it's gonna be alright. I think I'll just stick with a MIG at this point. There, and all you do is stick your blade in there somewhere and just saw right up through, and it gives you a little gap. Tap that down, weld her up. So far so good. Alright, just got to keep after it. Alright, I think I'm done. You know, I could grind it just a little more and stuff, but it's the floorboard. Looks pretty good. It's going to be okay. It's good enough for what I'm doing here. Alright, I think that's where I got to stop for the day. I threw some paint on it. See, it ain't too bad. Hammer and dolly, little hammer and dolly work, and that's all. Alright, I gotta go.